Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the points which lie on the x-axis. Now any points which lie on the x-axis will have the value of its ordinates always 0. That is, any point which lies on the x-axis the value of its ordinate will always be equal 0. Right? Now let's check the points one by one. So for point A, we have minus of 11 comma 0. So as you can see, the value of ordinate is 0. So this will lie on the x-axis. Now for point B, we have 0 comma minus of 14. Here the value of abscissa is 0, but the value of ordinate is not 0. But it is a required condition, or rather we can say that it is a must condition that the value of ordinate must be 0 in order to lie on the x-axis. So this point will not lie on the x-axis. Let's check for point number C. Again, in this case the value of ordinate is minus of 12, so this will not lie on the x-axis. And finally for point number D, which is minus of 9 comma 0, so this will lie on the x-axis because ordinate's value is 0. Therefore required points will be point number A, that is minus of 11 comma 0, and point number D, that is minus of 9 comma 0. So this will be our required final answer. Thank you and have a great day.